श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदांताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि. We are blessed to enjoy Swami Desikan Sudarshanashtakam. Today, Shlokam 3. Sputadadijjala pinjara Prututarajwala panjara Parigata pratna vigraha Patutara prajna durgraha Praharana grama mandita Parijanatrana pandita Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana. Sputadadijjala pinjara. He shines in a yellow and red mixed color, and he shines like the assembly of lightning. Sudarshana, you shine like the beautiful assembly, beautiful congregation of lightnings. When the lightning strikes, it's so powerful and it's so magnificent. It is so, bright. And when you see millions of lightning together, Sudarshana is like that. And the jwalai, the flames of fire is collected in that Sudarshana Alvan is like an assembly of lightning. Prututara jwala panjara, the bright tongues of flames is like a home for Sudarshana. Parigata pratna vigraha. Parigata pratna vigraha. In that yantram, the forms of Vasudeva, the forms of Sankarshana, the form of Varaha, the form of Narasimha are all there in that yantram. Sri Vasudeva, Sankarshana, Pradyumna, Aniruddha are all in that yantram, in the geometric form. And Parigata Pratna Vigraha, Patutara Prajna Durgraha. Even for the erudite scholars, the Vedantic scholars, the sages, the rishis, with sharp intellect, very sharp intellects, even they stumble when they try to comprehend, when they try to fathom your fullest glory. Sudarshana, you are beyond reach even by them. Praharana grama mandita. Praharana grama mandita. Praharana, the weapons, the ayudams, they all worship you. They all adorn you as your dasas. It's a beautiful sight to see all weapons in each of your hands, resting on your hands to perform eternal service to you. Praharana grama mandita, parijana trana pandita. You are the one who is greatest and who is glorified to protect your bhaktas, parijana, your devotees, your worshippers. So you are dedicated to come to the rescue of all those devotees who seek your protection. Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana. Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana. So beautifully his resplendent, lustrous form is described, and how he showers daya to protect on his devotees is beautifully picturized. How he is incomprehensible, unfathomable, even by the erudite scholars, even by the Vedantic scholars, even those with sharp intellect will not be able to comprehend his glories. And he is a collection of the flames of fire at the end. He is so grand and greatest. And let me know, what are the fruits of What are the fruits of comprehending the Tattvam behind Lord Sudarshana? A full understanding of Sudarshana Tattvam makes us realize that we are not Swatantras with control over destinies. We don't have any control over the destiny. We are completely dependent on the Sarveshwaran, Sarvajnan, Sarvashaktan, whose will, whose sankalpam is Lord Sudarshana. By conducting ourselves with performing the anushtanams, performing the daily conduct, performing our actions which would please our Master, our Lord, our Pita, our Sarvaloka Pita, the one who showers daya on each one of us without any partiality, the one who is pleased by our actions which would attempt to please him. He is immensely pleased. And by staying away from that which is prohibited in the Shastras would also be pleasing to him. So we should stay away from all those deeds which would displease him. So it's called Pratikulya Varjanam. Then we attain the full range of fruits which the four kind of seekers would seek. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Chaturvida bhajante mam, Arti, Artarti, Jignasu, Jnani. The one who does not have wealth, he seeks wealth from me, Krishna says. Like us, we seek from him to give me more money, to give me this, to give me that. And if we have some, and if we want the same thing more, we already are blessed with so much of blessing, and still we want more materials, more greed. That is artharthi, more artham, more wealth. And jignasu, the one who seeks jnanam, the one who seeks knowledge. And jnani, one who has already realized him, one who has already comprehended that Ishvara Tattvam and the relationship between the Jivatma and Paramatma. There are four kinds of devotees, Krishna says. And of course, he simply is fond of and loves the Jnani, the fourth one. So, this is the basis of getting to know his Tattvam. So here, beautiful slokam, Lord Sudarshana, you shine like the resplendent assembly of lighting. The flames of fire emanating from you appear like a home for you. It appears so beautifully. It is so grand and majestic and resplendent. And it is shown, and this itself talks about your grandeur, your splendor. It is so nice to even think of the flames which emanate from you. And Swami mentions, Kuranarayana Jiya writes in the 5th slokam, Shyamam Dama Prasutya Kvachana Bhagavata Kwapi Babru Prakritya. In that slokam, he says that the kaleidoscopes of color which are superimposed on Sudarshana's Jyoti. Sudarshana has his home on the right hand of the Lord, who is Nilamega Shyamala Krishnan. The Perumal has in his right hand the Sudarshana Chakra. And this Sudarshana Chakra has the Jyoti, which has a riot of colors superimposed on himself from the murtis and from the flames of fire. And it is Shyamam, dark green, Babru, golden yellow, known as Deepashika Tulyavarnam, the hue reminiscent of the top of the wick in the lit lamp, Vilakki Nuni, Vilakki Nirpu Nuni. So it's the top of the wick in the light, in the lamp which is lit. Shubram, the white, Raktam, the red, the Neelam, the blue, are all mentioned among the many colors seen reflected on the rotating Sudarshana Jyoti. And it is Prututara Jwala Panjara, so beautiful collection of the home for the flames of fire. And Parigata Pratna Vigraha. The Vigraha in Sudarshana Shatakam again, the 98th slokam says, Sri Varahamurti, Sri Nrisimhamurti, Sri Hayagrivan are all to be contemplated in Sudarshana mantra in the Sudarshana yantra. And it is mentioned in the mantra yantra sastram. And it is already talked about in the last verse. So, these Paravyuha, Vibhava, Archa, Antaryami in all forms, Sudarshana is there also taking that form whenever Perumal takes this form. And Praharana, Grama, Mandita, all the Ayudams are paying their obeisance to you. They serve you. Whether it is 32 hands or 16 hands or 8 hands or 64 hands, all the hands have got all the Ayudam. Praharananam Samuhaha Praharana Gramaha. And same thing is mentioned here, that Emperuman has got so many Ayudams through the Sudarshana Alvan. And it is mentioned in the 91st slokam of Kuranarayana Jiyar that he has got so many Ayudams, and which is helping, which is facilitating Perumal to kill the enemies, the Asuras. And it is so beautifully mentioned that Sri Kuranarayana Jiyar mentions here that the chakrams forming the abode of Lord Sudarshana are described as Kala Chakram, Prithvi Chakram, Up Chakram, Tejas Chakram, Vayu Chakram, Akasha Chakram. And Lord Sudarshana engages in 5 kinds of activity: the creation, the sustenance, the destruction, the punishment, and the blessing. So, according to the needs of these 5 tasks, Sudarshana assumes a body with 32 or 16 or 8 or 4 or 2 arms. His purpose in taking all these forms is to rush to the help to rescue the devotees, Bhakta Vargams, whenever they are in times of distress, and to protect them. May that compassionate Sudarshana Alvan protect you without delay. Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana, Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana. Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline, Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Dhanyosmi.